Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you open a PDF form in Adobe Acrobat and can't click, type or enter information into the fields, don't worry. This is one of the most common PDF form issues. The problem is usually caused by a non-fillable PDF form field errors, security restrictions, digital signatures, or opening the documents in the wrong mode. So the good news is that most form entry problems can be fixed in just a few minutes. Okay, so the first thing is you can check whether the PDF is actually fillable. Okay, so many PDFs only look like forms, so try click inside a field, press tab, move between fields. If nothing happens, the PDF may not contain fillable fields. So a form layout is not the same as a fillable form. Okay, you can use fill and sign. Like if the form isn't fillable, open Adobe Acrobat, select File, Fill and Sign, click where you want to type and enter your information. It allows typing on many non-fillable PDFs and it works even when form fields don't exist. Okay, so this is often the fastest solution. You can open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Like some browsers don't handle forms properly, so instead of opening the PDF in Chrome, Edge, Firefox, try download the PDF, open it directly in Adobe Acrobat. So it improves form compatibility and activates Acrobat's form features. So browser PDF viewers frequently cause form issues. Okay, you can also enable highlight existing field. Like sometimes fields exist but aren't obvious. To open the PDF and enable field highlighting, look for blue boxes, interactive fields, and fillable sections. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.